How to enable or disable auto video play using mobile data on DJI Mimo application. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, go to DJI Mimo application. In DJI Mimo homepage, go to profile on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap profile. And profile, you can see here the settings. Okay, go to settings. In settings, in privacy and settings section, you can see here the auto video play using mobile data. So if you want to auto video play using mobile data, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it, okay, you have successfully enabled. And if you want to disable again, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled or disabled auto video play using mobile data on DJI Mimo application. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.